Imagine a material for building windows that combines the strength of wood with the low-maintenance features of vinyl. A material that's durable, energy efficient, and environmentally smart. That's Fibrex material. Fibrex is composed of 40% wood fiber and 60% proprietary polymer. By doing so, we're eliminating the undesirable qualities of these raw materials, like the inevitability of wood rot and the bending and warping of plastic vinyl. We then combine the two for extra strength. Plus, we use reclaimed and repurposed wood from our manufacturing facilities to make the most out of our resources. In its simplest form, here's how it works. The wood fiber is heated to extract all of its moisture. Once the wood is properly dried, the polymer is then heated to a specific temperature, and we're able to combine the two materials. The compound then flows through an extruder, allowing us to create virtually any shape and permanently apply 12 colors from our unique palette. Fibrex material is a component found in all of our windows, ensuring we provide the highest quality for every product we build. It's low maintenance, it never needs painting, and it won't rot, fade, flake, blister, or peel. And Fibrex material is engineered to be twice as strong as vinyl and is able to repel moisture for long-lasting resistance. In fact, unlike some materials that will bow and crack at extreme temperatures, Fibrex material retains its stability and rigidity in all climates. Above all, Renewal by Andersen is committed to being good stewards of the Earth's resources. Since the development of Fibrex material, the reuse of wood fiber has prevented the harvesting of over 90 million board feet of lumber. What's more, the composition of Fibrex material helps make it extremely energy efficient. Our windows even meet California's Indoor Air Quality Code, one of the strictest in the country. All of which makes Fibrex material as smart for the world around us as it is for your home. Fibrex material, the strength of wood and the convenience of vinyl. Another Andersen innovation.